Understanding Indirect Object Pronouns, an easy guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting aspect of English grammar, specifically a component of relative clauses, indirect object pronouns. Are you ready to unravel the mystery behind these grammatical elements? Let's jump in. In English, we use indirect object pronouns to replace the nouns that are the indirect objects of verbs. They usually answer the question, to whom, or for whom. The action of the verb is done. In a sentence like, I gave the book to John. John is the indirect object. The action of giving the book is being done for John. So, if we replace John with an indirect object pronoun, we'd get, I gave him the book. The indirect object pronouns in English are the same as direct object pronouns. Here they are: me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Note that the pronoun we choose depends on the gender and number, singular or plural, of the noun being replaced. It's time to learn how to use these pronouns correctly. The key to using indirect object pronouns is identifying the indirect object in the sentence. Remember, the indirect object is the receiver of the action. Once we identify the indirect object, we replace it with the appropriate pronoun. For example, original, I gave the book to Sarah. With pronoun, I gave her the book. Let's practice using indirect object pronouns. Here are some sentences for you to convert. 1. We bought flowers for Mom. Answer: we bought her flowers. 2. Can you send the email to your team? Answer: can you send them the email? The more you practice, the better you get, so don't shy away from trying these out in your daily conversations. And that's a wrap on indirect object pronouns. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice, so keep experimenting with different sentences. We hope you found this session insightful and, as always, keep practicing and keep learning. Until next time, happy learning!